you feel like you don't fit in and you wish you could? Do you want to improve your social life? Or do you just want to be cool? Then keep watching this video. I'm Nick, and my mission with this channel is to help you wake up to the power, the potential, and the beauty of yourself and of this life. Now today's video is all about how to be cool, and to make it very clear from the start, I am not talking about the stereotypical cool, the quarterback, Mr. Clean haircut with the nice car. This is not the type of cool I'm talking about. I'm talking about the real essence of cool. Those people in the world that no matter what they're into, what their interests are, what they look like, what type of person they are, they just have this charismatic, magnetic energy that draws people to them. This is what I'm talking about, the real essence of cool. This is what this video is going to help you develop starting today. So let's talk about the benefits of becoming a cool person, and let's talk about how you can make it happen for yourself. So when you switch into this kind of mindset, when you become a cool person with that raw, authentic, charismatic, magnetic energy, you will draw a lot more people to you. Just puts you in abundance, yeah, which means you then have the power to design and build whatever kind of social life you want for yourself. Do you want 200 friends? Do you want 3 insanely close friends that are like family? Do you want some kind of mix of the both? You will have the power to design this for yourself. You have the choice after building these skills to design this and build this for yourself. You're going to be more attractive. You're going to compare yourself to people a lot less. And ultimately, you're going to connect with people on a real, deep, authentic level, which is going to improve your life in so many ways. So what can you do to start making this happen for you today? Now, this all comes under the same umbrella. The points I'm going to make here all come down to one raw concept, and that is you have to know, love, and own who you truly are. Okay, being cool is not about hitting the stereotypes. I know a whole bunch of people around here in my social life, some of them, who are the epitome of cool on paper, right? They've got the long wavy blonde hair, they got the VW, they're a six surfer, they got it all going for them in that sense, but they got massive egos. They're really insecure, you know, as a lot of naturally cool people are, and they're just not that fun to be around. They're not as fun to be around as they could be because they're so hung up on being cool. They're stuck on this ego thing. They're stuck on hitting the stereotypes that they think they should be. They're hung up on the social construction of cool, which is blocking them from being truly cool. You have to understand that who you are is incredibly unique. No one else in the world is you. When you're in conversation with someone, everything you're saying, you have to believe everything you're saying has value just purely for the fact that it's coming from you. Yeah, everything you say is your own personal perspective, it's your own opinion, it's your own experience. It's all unique to you. No one else in the world has that. Do you have any idea how special that is, how rare that is? That is incredible. Only you are you. They might have the good looks, they might have the money, whatever it is, but they're not you. Only you are you. You have something to offer the world. You have a lot to offer the world that no one else on the planet can offer. That is incredible. So holding this back, letting these social constructions of what cool should be, hold that back, is doing a massive disservice to you and to the world if you let that hold you back from being your true self and letting your real energy come out. So don't let the stereotypes of what cool is hold you back from being you. This video, this concept, being cool, is for everyone. Whether you are the perfect stereotype on paper or whether you are absolute king or queen of the nerds, I don't care. I don't care. The points I'm making apply to you, and you can be cool right now if you just adopt what I'm saying. You have to know, love, and own who you truly are. That is what this is all about. Everything else, everything from surface level to for like the way you communicate, the way you hold your body language, your eye contact, the way you talk to people, to the deeper stuff like your self-beliefs and things like that, they all stem from this: knowing, loving, and owning who you are. Unfiltered, no matter who you're around, no matter what you've done, no matter who you are. Yeah, so what I would say to you to get started with this, and I have a whole bunch of relevant videos on these topics, is get to know yourself, spend time alone, meditate, do things with just yourself, start journaling, get to know who you truly are. So you have to know who you are before you can love and own who you are. Okay, so start getting to know yourself, start building these processes today, and obviously you know yourself to a good degree already. So let's move on to self-love. You have to understand that we're all just consciousness moving through life with different experiences and different impressions shaping us in different ways. So in that sense, we are all equals. We all have equal worth. We are all deserving of feeling equal self-worth. No one is better than you because they're cool. No one is better than you because of anything they have, anything they've done, or who they are. Yeah, we are all at our core the same. We're all equal. We are all deserving of self-worth just for being human. So really try and understand this on a deep level. Check out my other videos on self-love where I go more in depth on how to build that. But just start spending this time with yourself, getting to know yourself, and then work on loving every single part of you. You have to face your shadow, the things you've hidden away about yourself, the things you're ashamed of. Shine a light on it, draw it out. We're going to look at you in your entirety here. We're going to understand flaws are okay. We can accept that. Learn to love yourself for who you truly are. Understand that no matter who you are, no matter what you've done, you deserve love. And it's time to give that to yourself now. And then lastly, as I said, own all of this. This isn't just a process for you behind closed doors. You deserve to be able to express this no matter where you are, no matter who you are with, no matter who you are. You deserve to express this passionate love of yourself and of life around everyone, to everyone. This is what being cool is all about, what that raw essence that I spoke about is all about. It's passionately loving who you are and not being afraid to express that. So a little habit you can use here is every time you notice you're around people and you're stifling yourself, or you're being inauthentic, maybe you're slipping into people pleasing or something like that, just start to notice these times you're not being true to yourself and true to your self-love, and try and bring it back to that authenticity, to that place of self-love as much as you can. We're going to build this like a habit alongside this deeper work. We're going to build it like a habit. We're going to notice I'm being inauthentic. I don't mean what I'm saying here. I don't actually agree with what I'm agreeing with here. I'm not expressing myself fully. I'm stifled. I'm holding back because of the type of people I'm around. And we're going to take a breath and we're going to bring it back to self-love. We're going to bring it back to who we really are, to authenticity, to passionate self-love, and let that energy, that charisma, that essence of who you are flow back out. So practice this as a habit. Notice, bring it back. Notice, bring it back. Boom, every time. So we're going to hit it from the surface level as well as the depth here. We're going to build habits and we're going to do the deep work. So to close this video out, remember, you don't have to be a single one of the stereotypes to be cool. You don't need to look a certain way. You don't need to have anything. You don't need to have done anything. You just need to build that charismatic, magnetic energy. And how you do that is by knowing, loving, and owning who you are, regardless of who you are. I really do not care in the slightest who I'm talking to right now. I don't care if you're sat in your chair as the most popular kid in school. I don't care if you're sat in your chair watching this as the nerdiest, shyest person in the world who doesn't have a single friend. You deserve to love yourself. You deserve to be yourself and to own who you are with passion, without feeling stifled, without feeling like you need to hold that back because society has told you you need to be a certain way. You are you, no one else is you. You're unique, you're amazing. Don't deprive the world of you, okay? Know yourself, love yourself, own who you are. Start expressing this, start building these things. Let me know how it goes for you, please, down in the comment section. As always, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. There's gonna be new videos every Friday and every Sunday. And I really hope this goes well for you, especially if you're a shy person who's feeling stifled right now. You really don't feel like you're a cool person. I promise you, you are a cool person in yourself. You're just not letting that come out. So it's time to start letting that flow. Stop holding yourself back, stop feeling stifled, let go of what you need to let go of, do this work, and just start being you. You're cool for who you are. Your vibe attracts your tribe. When you start being you, you're gonna realize that. People are gonna be drawn to you, and you're gonna go, I didn't need to learn any of those techniques all along. I could have just been me, in your rawest form, real confident version of you.